Hello, third grade. Mrs. Thompson here with your Option 2 Fluency activity. Today we are going to be working with our whiteboards and markers. Today we will learn to understand the meaning of the unknown as the size of the group in division. I can find the unknown size of the group in a division problem. All right. So boys and girls, we're going to go back to array multiplication. So take a look at this picture here. Say the repeated addition equation. Yes, 2 plus 2 plus 2. On your whiteboard, write 3 times blank equals blank. Now write the numbers in the blank that you think should be there. When I say waterfall, show your boards. 1, 2, 3. Waterfall. You're right. You should have 3 times 2 equals 6. Now let's take a look at more arrays. So here, take a look at the triangles. What's the repeated addition equation that goes with it? Go ahead and write that on your whiteboard. Right. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Awesome. Now, write the multiplication equation that goes with it. Right. There are 4 groups of 10, so you should have 4 times 10 equals 40. Wonderful. Now let's practice this one. Go ahead, erase your boards, and I want you to write the repeated addition that matches this problem. Right. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now write the multiplication equation that matches. Right. There are 3 groups of 7. So we should have 3 times 7, which is 21. Awesome work. Good job, boys and girls. Enjoy the rest of your math session today. See you tomorrow.